So in my last shot, we had a very nice guy talk about how a vacuum leak could be the root cause of this rough idle that my truck has. We'll come around to the back so you can hear it from this perspective. It's not pretty. I mean, it sounds half decent, but it's running rough. So I've got my mass airflow sensor, which is going to be used as starting fluid in this case because it's highly flammable, and I don't have starter fluid. So pop the hood. I'm going to set you down so I can use my intake. We can hear when I rev it, the vacuum leak kind of goes away. You hear the hissing, that's the vacuum leak. It kind of goes away when I rev it. So I'm gonna start spraying different spots, and we're gonna, when the engine raises an RPM, we'll know I found my leak. So little change there. Let's come around to this side. Oh, here we go. There it is. Okay, so point you back here. That, whatever that is, that little capsule, I'll spray it. Our RPM raises. So that is going to be where our vacuum leak is located. So I'm going to go figure out what that is. Okay, tools are out. Let's get this thing off. I'm going to use you guys to tell me what bolt that is, because I truly don't know if I can even get my phone back there. Are there even any bolts? I don't know. You guys see anything in there? It looked like you guys saw one bolt, maybe two, and I'm thinking I see two from where I'm at. So I'm going to say we're going to try the lucky number 10, because we love our 10s in the automotive world. Let's reach back in there. Ooh, it's warm. My favorite. Now I can't, I think it's too big, so it's not a 10. How about 9? Lucky number 9. It's still too big. How about an 8? 8's the smallest standard. We might have to go into metric. Oh, we got bite on 8. We can see our socket is on there. I don't know if you guys can really see that.